next we have, hello, it is day 3 of cooking out of my Cravings All Together cookbook, cooking the things that you guys have wanted to see. So up next we have our skillet chicken marsala with cauliflower, gnocchi, and spinach. So somewhere in the middle of this crazy pandemic, we all became very obsessed with cauliflower gnocchi, the Trader Joe's one specifically. So much so that I used it for the book. This is not paid. This is not an ad for that gnocchi, but we love it and you guys love it. So this is an easy recipe for you guys to make and use that gnocchi with. So we put in our cauliflower gnocchi, we've seasoned it with a little salt and pepper, and then put in our 1/4 cup of chicken broth. We're gonna heat that over medium heat and cover quickly with a lid and let it absorb all that liquid about 5 minutes. All right, so our beautiful little pillows have absorbed all that liquid. And I'm gonna put them to the edge a bit and add our butter. All right, so we're gonna put in our butter, let that melt. And then we're going to toss our gnocchi around in it so it's nice and firm. Get the bottom nice and buttery. Non-stick. Non-stick much. Oh, hey. Oh. Next step, we're going to add our cornstarch to a bowl. And since I season everything, we're gonna season this again, kind of heavily, just because it's cornstarch. And then give a little mix. And then take a chicken part of your choice. I use thighs for everything because thighs are the best, but you can use chicken breast, whatever you want. And then give them all a nice little coating. So back to our skillet, we're gonna heat it over medium-high. And then we're going to pour in a couple tablespoons of oil. So we're gonna cook our chicken in here. And the best part about this is you're gonna cut it into little strips in the end so you can kind of see if you cooked it well enough. So you don't have to worry or freak out, but transfer them to a plate. So we're going to turn the heat down to medium and add a little bit more oil and then throw in our onions. So we're going to cook these till they're soft, like 3 minutes or so. Garlic. Cook it for about a minute until it's nice and fragrant. And let's add our mushrooms. And let's give them a nice amount of seasoning. So these are looking perfect and awesome. So we're going to add our remaining chicken broth, our Marsala wine, our cream, our cayenne, however much you like. I like a lot. And more salt. And give that a stir. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to a boil. So we bump up the heat a little bit. And then when it starts boiling, we're going to bring it down to a simmer so it can thicken up. Let it get like this, and then we turn it down so it just simmers, and then it'll simmer for about 12 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut up our chicken. So bring the chicken back, take one guy at a time and cut them into strips. It's getting nice and thick here, so we're gonna add our chicken back to the pan. And then take our spinach that's been really wrung out and dried nicely. If it's got any moisture to it, it's not going to be good because all that moisture is going to water down your sauce. So dot that through. And now we're going to add back and dried. And now we're going to add back in that gnocchi from so long ago.